LED PDT light with 7 colors. Goggle, power cord, manual. Let's install the power cord. Connect the power cord with power socket. Connect another side with machine. Power on. Turn on the power button. You will see the number here. This number for treatment time. You can increase or decrease here. Decrease, increase. Here is fan for the heat dissipation. Turn on this button. Here is color exchange, auto exchange. RG means red and green exchange. It's auto exchange. GB means green and blue exchange. BR is blue and red auto exchange. Choose the color button here. Here has 7 colors for exchange. Red light. Red light for skin rejuvenation and increased skin elasticity. Green light is for calm for allergic skin. Blue light is for acne treatment, promote protein and collagen. Purple light stimulates circulation system and smooth inputs. Yellow light is for redness and pigmentation treatment. Clear blue light, it can enhance cell age and effect on metabolism. White laser light speed up metabolism, improve fine lines and healthy skin. Before treatment, you should let the clients clear the face and wear this one, goggles, to protect the eyes. Or you can put the mask on the face to do the treatment will be better absorption. For the treatment time, we advise 15 to 20 minutes. After treatment, power off.